What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a great day of tech news for you. We've got 3 stories for you, and I think they're pretty interesting. And let's just jump right into it. First story of the day is about the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. They're being announced this coming week, October 6th. But what about our friends in India? One of my biggest audiences. It looks like you guys are going to be able to order it, at least pre-order it, on October 6th, starting at 9:30 p.m. You guys, I guess, call it pre-book. We call it pre-order. It says Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, get ready to pre-book on October 6th at 9:30 p.m. So this is great news for the folks over in India. In America, it's going to be the same day as well, I would have to guess. They're going to announce it on October 6th. It's probably right after the event. Everything will go up for pre-order. That's Pixel 7, 7 Pro, Pixel Watch. You can already order their Pixel Buds Pro, which are amazing buds. I definitely recommend picking those up when you do it. I'd also expect them to do some major, at least in America, and probably other places as well, I really expect them to do some amazing trade-ins, especially since this phone isn't a huge difference, at least spec-wise, versus the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So I really expect them to do some major trade-in gifts for it. And then also probably some nice pre-order gifts, meaning freebies. So we'll keep our eyes peeled for that. I will let you guys know more as that stuff comes on to us. And without further ado, let's get into the second story of the day. And that is all about, actually second and third story are both about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and they're both about the camera. The first one is kind of an interesting thing. It's something Apple has been using in some of their phones lately, a technology in their phones for their cameras, and that is a Samsung patent is hinting at sensor shift telephoto cameras for their Galaxy phones, which probably will hit with the Galaxy S23 potentially. What that is it's just a different way of stabilizing the cameras so you can potentially get more stable videos and photos when you're using it. It's a shift from OIS, and it's this, so again, I guess Apple uses it, and then Samsung's gonna begin to use it as well. We'll keep our eyes peeled on this. It might not make it into the S23 lines of phone, but you'll probably see it in the very near future. And our last story of the day is pretty freaking big. We've been talking about camera sensors on Samsung phones for a while, and the biggest they have is on the S22 Ultra at 108 megapixels, and it looks like officially, at least per Galaxy Club, the S23 Ultra will best that with a brand new 200 megapixel main camera. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to take better photos. As you know, more megapixels doesn't always mean a better photo, but it does mean that they'll obviously have higher megapixels. Now, what can they do with this? I think the major thing they're going to do, right now we have 100x zoom on the S22 Ultra. I think they're going to increase it. I think they're going to use that resolution, not so much to just take a higher quality photo in terms of megapixels, but I think they're going to allow you to take more of a zoom. It's my guess. I could be wrong. And I don't even know why. Would you want 200x zoom? Maybe you would, but I think they're going to increase it maybe to 125, 150, or maybe even 200x zoom. That's my guess on there. I think that's going to be the major takeaway on the S23 Ultra, is that we're going to get more improved space zoom. But that'll be your question of the day. How do you think Samsung's going to market their new 200 megapixel camera on the S23 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. I will be back tomorrow with 2 brand new videos, and we'll see you down the road.